Hey there, brew lovers. Today we're diving into the world of homemade kombucha. This fizzy fermented tea drink has taken the world by storm, but did you know you can easily brew your own at home? Let's get started. What is kombucha? Kombucha is a fermented tea drink created by adding bacteria and yeast cultures known as a SCOBY, symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, to sweeten tea. The SCOBY ferments the sugar into probiotics and creates that tangy, effervescent flavor we all love. Ingredients: 1 black or green tea bags, 2 sugar, 3 water, 4 a SCOBY, symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. Equipment: 1 large glass jar, 2 breathable cloth like cheesecloth, 3 rubber band. The brewing process: 1 make the sweet tea. Brew your preferred tea, black or green, with sugar. 1 let it cool completely. 2 prepare the jar. Clean your glass jar thoroughly. 2 add the cooled tea to the jar. 3 introduce the SCOBY. Gently place your SCOBY and any starter liquid, kombucha from a previous batch, into the tea. 4 cover the jar. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth and secure it with a rubber band. 4 this allows air to circulate while keeping out contaminants. 5 fermentation time. Place the jar in a warm, dark place, like a pantry, for 7-14 days. 5 the ideal temperature is around 75 degrees 24 degrees. 6 taste test. After 7 days, start tasting your kombucha daily. 6 once it reaches your desired level of tartness and fizziness, it's ready. Bottling and second fermentation. For extra carbonation, you can bottle your kombucha. Add a small amount of fruit juice or flavoring to individual bottles. Cap the bottles loosely and let them sit at room temperature for 2 to 3 days. For added fizz, add a pinch of sugar before capping. Tips for kombucha success: 1 start with a healthy SCOBY. A strong SCOBY will produce better kombucha. 2 maintain a clean environment. Sterilize your equipment to prevent contamination. 3 experiment with flavors. Add different fruits, herbs, or spices to create unique kombucha varieties. 4 patience is key. The fermentation process takes time, so be patient and let the flavors develop. Historical fun fact: kombucha is believed to have originated in ancient China over 2,000 years ago. It was traditionally used for medicinal purposes before gaining popularity as a refreshing beverage. And there you have it. Brewing your own kombucha is a rewarding and delicious process. With a little patience and experimentation, you can create a wide range of flavors and enjoy the health benefits of this fermented drink. Cheers! Additional tips: 1 always taste your kombucha before bottling to ensure it's safe to consume. 2 if your kombucha develops mold, discard the entire batch. 3 experiment with different tea types, sweeteners, and flavorings to find your perfect kombucha recipe. 4 consider using a pH meter to monitor the acidity of your kombucha. 5 store your finished kombucha in the refrigerator to slow down fermentation. Remember, brewing kombucha is a journey of discovery. Have fun experimenting and finding your perfect brew. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes.